Okay, good morning students. Now you have to see the next topic 4.7.6 bioassay for target gene effect. What do you mean by the bioassay for target gene effect means the target gene is target DNA or anything is there. Target DNA or foreign DNA, passenger DNA, exogenous DNA or gene of interest or insert DNA, anything is there is to be either cloned or specifically mutated. That is called a target gene. A target gene is target DNA, a foreign DNA, a passenger DNA or exogenous DNA or gene of interest or insert DNA that is to be either cloned or specifically mutated. The gene targeting experiments have been targeting the nuclei and this leads to gene knockout. For this purpose, two types of targeting vectors are used mostly. They are insertion vectors and replacement or transplacement vectors. There are two types of vectors, replacement or transplacement vectors. Insertion vectors or replacement or transplacement vectors. First one, insertion vectors. Insertion vectors are nothing but entirely inserted into the targeted locus as the vectors are linearized within the homology region. Initially, these vectors are circular, but during insertion become linear. It leads to duplication of sequences adjacent to selectable markers. அது இது வட்ட வடிவத்தில் காணப்படும். இது வந்து இன்சர்ட் பண்ணும்போது லீனியர் வடிவத்தில் நீண்ட வடிவத்தில் காணப்படக்கூடியதாக இருக்கும். இது எதுக்காக பயன்படுத்துகிறோம் அப்படின்னா டூப்ளிகேஷனுக்காக பயன்படுத்தி ஒரு செலக்டபுள் மார்க்கஸை வந்து உருவாக்குவதில் இந்த இன்செக்ஷன் வெக்டர் ஏதாவது ஒரு உயிரினத்தினுடைய டிஎன்ஏக்குள்ளே நுழைப்பதற்கு பயன்படுத்தப்படுது. The next one is replacement vectors has the homology region and it is co-linear with the target. This vector is linearized prior to transfection outside the homology region and then consequently a crossing over occurs to replace the endogenous DNA within the incoming DNA. That is called replacement vectors. Okay, the next one is genome sequence and plant genome projects. The whole complement of gene that determine the characteristics of an organism is called genome. That genome may be nuclear genome or mitochondrial genome or plasmid genome. Genome of many plants contain both functional and non-expressive DNA proteins. The genome project refers to a project in which the whole genome of plant is analyzed using sequence analysis and sequence homology with the other plants. Such genome projects have so far been undertaken in Chlamydomonas algae, Arabidopsis thaliana, rice and maize plants. These are mostly sequenced. These plants are mostly sequenced. அது இந்த பிளான்ஸில் எல்லாமே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜீன் வந்து சீக்வன்ஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஜீனோம் content of an organism is expressed in terms of number of base pairs or in terms of the content of DNA is expressed in C value. Okay. Then next one is genome editing and CRISPR. Cas9. Genome editing and CRISPR. Genome editing or gene editing is a group of technology that has the ability to change an organism's DNA. This technology mostly allows genetic material to be added or removed or altered at particular location in the genome. Several approaches to genome editing have been developed. A recent one is known as CRISPR Cas9, which is a short form of clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats are called CRISPR. Associated protein 9 is that. The CRISPR Cas9 system has generated a lot of excitement in a system scientific community because it is faster, cheaper, more accurate and more efficient than other existing genome editing methods. Okay. The next one is another one is RNA interference. RNAi. RNA interference is a biological process in which RNA molecules inhibit the gene expression or gene translation. That is translation, gene expression or translation. It is done by neutralizing targeted mRNA molecules. A simplified model for the RNAi pathway is based on two steps, each involving ribonuclease enzymes. The first step, the trigger RNA, either double stranded RNA or miRNA, primary transcript is processed into a short interfering RNA, siRNA. The RNA is second enzyme called dicer and DROSA. In the second step, siRNA is located into the effector complex. RNA induced slicing complex, that is RISC. The siRNA is unwound during RISC assembly and the single stranded RNA hybridized with the mRNA target. This RNAi is seen in plant feeding nematodes. Okay, RISC complex with unzipped siRNA. Okay, there is a RISC complex with unzipped siRNA. Plant cell is the double stranded RNA, dicer and DROSA. Interaction of dicer with the double stranded RNA. siRNA attacked by the nematodes, target mRNA, root knock nematodes. siRNA is there. Okay, next one. Transgenic plants, genetically modified crops, GM crops is there. Okay, next class we will see that topic 4.8. Okay, thank you students, thank you one and all.